In this module, we are going to learn about another text function called trim. Now, the purpose of this trim function is to remove all the trailing and leading spaces from the string. Even it can remove extra spaces between two words. So if you look at this title here, which is the title of a movie and its category, you will find though the category is fine, the title is having some issues. That the text inside the title is not well formatted. It has a lot of spaces in between, at the end, in the beginning, and therefore it needs to be cleaned. Now, in order to clean this title and make it well indented and well formatted, I will use this trim function. So the purpose of this trim function is to remove leading and trailing spaces along with spaces in between two words. So let's see how this would happen. I would first, since this has the data, I need to create a new column, or I need to add a new column where I will clean the data and keep it. So what I'll do is I'll insert a column here. Once I have inserted the column, then I will put here the function trim. And here I'll select this. Now if you look, when I close this parenthesis and say enter, you see this string is cleaned up. And if I drag it down, you'll see each one of them is properly formatted, indented. It has been removed all spaces in between, at the end, and it is now a better string. And therefore, I would not want this particular title to be there. I want this to be the title. So I'll make this as the title, and I will delete this. Say delete. Okay, the moment I do that, what happens? This gives me error because this cell was referring. This was referring the other cell, and I deleted that one. So I cannot do that, right? So I'll do Control Z and bring that back. Now, what should we do? Now, what we will be doing here is that we will be copying this and go to this and paste it. So I'll say right click, paste special, and here we'll not paste anything but value. So you won't paste all, which will copy the formatting and the formulas and all the stuffs. So I don't want to copy the formulas. I just want to copy the values. So I'll select values and say OK. And then I'll go ahead and delete this. So now this has been properly cleaned. And this is the use of my trim function.